What if I told you there's an animal that might never truly die? And no, it's not science fiction. This tiny creature has a survival trick that sounds almost impossible. When it becomes old or gets injured, it doesn't die like most animals. Instead, it reverses its own life cycle. Scientists call it the Turritopsis dohrnii. When it's stressed or aging, its cells reset and it turns back into its baby form. Then it grows up and can repeat the entire process again. So in theory, this tiny jellyfish could restart its life forever. Which means somewhere in the ocean, there could be jellyfish that are centuries old. Follow for more.